Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume of a video clip inside CapCut when you're editing on iPhone or Android. In this case I am using an iPhone, so I'll go over to the CapCut app and I've loaded in this new project with this video clip on the timeline. And what you have to do, right now it's pretty loud, so what you have to do is basically tap on the video that's on the timeline. Then it gives you some different options, different buttons on the bottom of the screen. Scroll over until you see the button volume. Go in there and then you can increase it or decrease it. So I'll show you what it's like. Kind of YouTube normal app, so you can go on social media, Twitter. From there you can increase the YouTube app, so you can go on the YouTube app, so you can or decrease it. Social. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe.